Okay, there's at least a couple different ways to think of this problem. Here's some beakers. Here's the original beaker that is 300 milliliters, 40% alcohol, tells you if there's 120 milliliters in this beaker. And that means 60% of that 300 is water. So you could do it this way, 180 milliliters of water. The point is we're going to add X milliliters of water, no alcohol at all. And what will we end up with? Well, 300 milliliters here plus X milliliters here tells us that this beaker contains this much liquid, X plus 300 milliliters, 25% of it is alcohol. So one way to do this is to just focus on the alcohol. This amount of alcohol right here, which is 120, has to equal this amount of alcohol, which is 25% of X plus 300. So there's your equation right there. 25% of X plus 300 equals 120. You could distribute the 0.25, or you could think of this as 1/4 and multiply both sides by 4. And yet X plus 300 equals 480. So X equals 180 milliliters. Another way to think about it is to focus on the water. So this 180 milliliters of water plus X milliliters of water, that's this right here, is equal to, well, the amount of water in this beaker is 3/4 or 75% of X plus 300. That's water. So here's the equation you could set up if you were focused on the water. The water in the first beaker plus the water in the second beaker equals the total amount of water after you combine them. And what I did is I multiplied both sides by 4 and distributed the 3. So 4 times this side of the equation gives me this. Here, if I multiply by 4, these 4's cancel out, distribute the 3, and solve for X. Same deal, 180 milliliters. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.